Installation video of Oblique sunshade. Please check the list of accessories. Installation tutorial. Take out the front crossbar and the small screw. Put the two front crossbars together. Fix with small screws. Take out the aluminum tube and small screw. Connect the short aluminum tube to the long aluminum tube. Fix with small screws. Then connect the long aluminum tubes together. Insert the tarpaulin into the groove of the aluminum tube. Insert the front crossbar into the tarpaulin. Install the round shaft plug into the aluminum tube, ensuring the holes align. You can use a screwdriver to knock the plug in. Fix with small screws. Install the round shaft plug into the aluminum tube, and the other end as well. Roll up the tarpaulin. Install the fixture F onto the round shaft plug. Install the fixture E onto the square shaft plug. Place it in the intended installation location. Note that the hook of the fixture E should face downwards. Mark on the wall for easy drilling. Use an electric drill 8 mm to drill a hole at the marked location. Place the expansion tube into the hole. The same on the other side. You can first assemble the fixture F. After inserting the gasket into the expansion screw, screw the screw into the expansion tube. Install the round shaft plug end into the fixture F. Align the fixture E with the hole on the wall and install the expansion screw. Take out the support rod and locate the installation position. If the position of the support rod is too high or too low, the tarpaulin may not be fully retracted. The installation position should be approximately the length of a slant support rod above. Mark the installation location. The other side is the same. Drill a hole and insert an expansion tube. The other side is the same. Just like before, after aligning the seat of the support rod with the hole, screw in the screw and washer. The other side is the same. Fix the support rod and the front crossbar together with long screws. Assemble the hand crank with the small screw. Install the hand crank. Installation finished.